Hi guys, it's David here from Pioneer Balloons. Just want to run through, I've heard that you've had some issues with some of the numbers recently, so I'd just like to go through and show you a quick inflation technique and method so that hopefully we'll be able to get rid of that issue. So I've got my number one here, I'm just opening it up and we'll pull it out here. As usual, always wear the safety goggles. Open up the number one. Now you've all got these Precision Plus or bubble inflators in your store. We're going to use the foil tip end for inflation, and we'll just work that in there like that. Sometimes if the valve is a bit stiff, you just jiggle it from side to side the way I did to get it in there. Now you've been told to hold that in until the balloon is fully inflated. So let's go ahead and do that and see what happens. I'm holding the balloon up so it doesn't hurt the valve. If you let the balloon go like that, nothing's going to happen. So we hold it up, we inflate the balloon, okay? I'm pushing that valve all the way in, and we'll keep inflating, getting fuller. Okay, now it's stopped. You can see on this big number one, it is really, really tight. Also, there's not many wrinkles there, okay? If you use that method with this device, you are gonna have a lot of fails, okie dokie. I'd be very nervous sending this out with a customer just because it's so tight. We're in a very cool environment here. Your stores are cool. Great for inflating balloons. You take this type balloon outside, it's going to come unstuck, okay? I know some of you have had splits and pops of the balloon in the store. That's an issue as well. That's why we've recalled all the balloons, but hopefully the method that I'm going to show you now will eliminate that, alrighty? So that's super tight. We're going to let that go. I'm going to get the silver one, which has also caused a few issues, and I'll show you a good way to inflate that so that you have a much greater success rate. Again, we put it on the foil tip, hold the balloon up and start inflating. Now this time I'm not going to inflate it till it stops. I'm going to pull it off just before that. Okay, so it's getting nice and full. Okay, now I'm going to stop. There's still lots of wrinkles and I'm just going to go bit by bit until they disappear. Alrighty, now you'll see that it's nice and flat here, but I've got a lot more wrinkles here. These foil balloons need to have the wrinkles so that when they change different environments, different temperatures, they've got some expansion room, okay? If you look at that, I've got a lot more give in that balloon, alrighty, compared to the gold one. Now, if you're not happy and you want to inflate a little bit more, you can do that, but it's still got plenty of expansion, alrighty? If you do it super tight till this device stops, you're going to have troubles. This device was made for North American conditions. Unfortunately, not for Australian conditions, okay? So you need to be a little bit smart and just take the balloon off a little bit sooner than when the device stops, like I did there. It's still nice and full, okay? Still looks fantastic, but I've got lots of room for give, okay? Try and do that method. It should be a lot better for you. All right, thanks very much.